In 1815, a volcanic eruption in Indonesia sent shockwaves across the globe. Mount Tambора's explosion was so powerful it altered the climate, leading to the year without a summer. Crops failed and famine spread. But amidst the chaos, Mary Shelley found inspiration. Trapped indoors by relentless storms, she penned Frankenstein, a tale born from darkness. Could a single eruption shape literature? This historical twist shows how nature's fury can spark creativity. What other stories lie hidden in the shadows of history? Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.